What goes on when I get to spitting game? When you're looking to invest, you have to understand the difference between the Forex market and the stock market. The Forex market deals with buying and selling currencies, right? The market is estimated to be around a $5 trillion a day, which makes Forex the largest financial market in the world. It operates on a 24/5 basis. And it offers leverage, which is a little bit better because it allows you to take a smaller amount of capital and maximize your gains. The stock market deals with buying and selling of shares, which are units in a company, right? It's open only during specific trading hours, depending on your country that you're in. It's more regulated than the Forex market and is a little less volatile, which means it may be more suitable if you're looking to buy and hold as an investor. So when you're deciding whether to trade Forex or stocks, it really ultimately comes down to you and your personal preference.